2005 YU55 is going to make a very close approach to the Earth on the night of November 8th, 2011. At that time, its distance from Earth will be just under 9/10 of the Moon's distance away from us. 2005 YU55 cannot hit Earth at least over the interval that we can compute the motion reliably, which extends for several hundred years. It's going to be moving very rapidly as it traverses the sky near the Earth on November 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. In effect, it'll be moving straight at us from one direction and then it'll go whizzing by and straight away from us in the other direction. So its motion across the sky will be close to 180 degrees over the course of less than 2 days. It made a close approach to Earth about 18 months ago. In April of 2010, colleagues of ours at Arecibo Observatory were able to observe this asteroid using the radar facility at Arecibo. And they were able to obtain radar images that showed that this object is about 400 meters across. On November 8th, 9th, 10th, we'll be observing it again. This time with both the Arecibo telescope and with the Goldstone telescope here in California. This is the closest approach by an asteroid that large that we've ever known about in advance.
Hey guys, this is a tsunami threat forecast issued for 11/9/2011 UTC. Now why do they have this up here? People are saying that this particular forecast, and I'll put the links below for all you guys to see, it is unisdoc.uniseco.org. This is a PDF file. It goes really into detail, I guess, alerting agencies on what the forecast is going to be. Now they're saying that this is where the impact of something. What is this? 11th of November. What's that date to you guys? 9/11 backwards. It's also the day that Obama's going to be doing that, that trial, emergency broadcasting where he takes over all the airwaves, your cell phones, your TV, your radio. Everything is under the control of the president. The president at that moment in time. There's also that big asteroid that's flying by that we're also going to be going through the tail of Comet Elenin. All the debris supposedly at that date is when it's supposed to be coming right into our orbit of the Earth. We're going to be going right through the tail on that day. And there's a massive asteroid that's going to be coming very close to the Earth on that particular day. Now, what is this? Okay, something's up. And supposedly there was a big X, a big red X, in this very spot that a lot of people were telling us a little while back, the conspiracy theorists. They found this big red X that said something that they believed related to Comet Elenin a while back, and then they kind of, blew it off as being conspiracy theories. But now they're saying that that could possibly be what this is all about here. Now, here's the site. And look at this. If there's a tsunami, it's going to hit. Look at how it's going to hit the West Coast here. This is the tsunami forecast here. And I'm going to put this below for you guys to look at on your own time. I have not looked at the model yet. I have not looked at all the information. Go ahead and click the link below. Save as much of this stuff as you can. Who knows if it'll be taken down. Please re-upload this video to your own channel because they have been taking down my videos. I always expose stuff that they don't like, they don't want to get out. And when they do take down this video, I will mirror your video. So please message me and tell me that you re-uploaded it to your channel. As soon as you see this, download it and re-upload it to your channel with all the links. And please, do a shout out to me too. Website, propheticseer.com. And be there nightly, 6 to 8 p.m. West Coast time. We talk about all kinds of stuff like this every night. So here it is. God bless, and keep your head up and be prepared. Be prepared. Amen. God bless.
Be prepared. It might actually be a nation buster. It'll take out Germany. It'll take out France, England, or the entire northeast of the United States.
Careful.
It'll hit with the force of 100,000 Hiroshima bombs.
Really? If it hits?
If it hits, right. It's a catastrophe beyond human comprehension. But it's something that we have to take seriously. This is the first major threat from a giant meteor or asteroid.
Were it to hit us, do we know what it would do to our rotation around the sun and the spinning on the axis?
Well, it will definitely affect the rotation of the Earth as it goes around the sun. The immediate impact would be a gigantic shock wave going out maybe 50 to 100 miles, then firestorms going out to hundreds of miles beyond that.
Firestorms.
And then meteorites raining back down on the planet Earth. So the devastation would be on the order of 500 to 1,000 miles. Think of a bullseye containing half the United States. That's the potential impact. The wild card is also the atmospheric disturbances. It's going to come right to the outskirts of our own atmosphere. Friction is going to take place, and that's unpredictable. We simply don't know how it's going to react as it whizzes through the atmosphere of the Earth, and that could affect the second pass